Hi to all employers. I'm Milena Caber-Otard, 41 years old. I have 2 children. I live in 13 Bay, Batac, Ilocos Norte. I was a college level in Take San College of the Philippines in Bachelor of Science Office Administration. I worked in Singapore for almost 12 years.
Why do you intend to work in Hong Kong?
To earn more salary and to support my family needs, sir.
How was your experience with your previous employer?
I had a good relation to my previous employer, sir, because I look after an old lady for a bedridden old lady, sir, and I finished contract, and then she passed away.
What was your duties and responsibilities as domestic worker?
I can do cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes, sir.
What was the parts of the employer's house that you need to clean the most?
Kitchen, toilet, and kitchen, sir.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
I can operate washing machine, television, microwave, and iron, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I can cook like beef stew, stir-fried noodles, steamed fish, and stir-fried bacon, sir.
What was the first thing you do to prepare your employer's food?
I make sure that my hands are clean, sir.
How will you take care of young children or elderly?
I will prepare their needs, sir, like preparing the meals on time, giving medication, and giving medication, sir.
Will you pitch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, sir. I will talk to them nicely and patiently, sir.
Why is it important to teach the children good values?
To build them up a better future, sir.
Can you tell me what are the possible reasons why baby cries?
Maybe like he hungry, sir, and need to change diaper, sir.
Is it right to give the baby medicine right away?
No, sir. I will ask my employer first, sir.
If there is elderly, bedridden, disabled person in Hong Kong, how will you assist them?
I will give them proper medication and proper meals, sir.
What are the good attitude traits you have so you can build a good relationship to your future employer?
I am honest, trustworthy, sir.
If you feel homesick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I will be busy, sir, and I will do my duties, and I will pray always, sir.
Your message to your prospective employer.
To all employers, please use me as your domestic helper, and I will do my very best to tackle my duty until finish contract.